In the ashes of San Francisco's 1906 earthquake, immigrant workers and neighbors forged a surprising blueprint for solidarity. They pooled scarce food, rebuilt makeshift kitchens, shared shelter across language barriers, and traded stories that kept spirits alive. Widows, laborers, and shopkeepers acted as coordinators, using chalk marks and hand signals to direct rescue and distribute supplies. Their quiet collaboration showed a city healed by communal grit, not by slow, distant officials. This hidden thread of 1906 reveals how ordinary people reshaped social history by acting together.